how I do. Doing another one of those use it or lose it cooks. I got some beef ribs in here with maple wood sitting at 300 degrees. Then I got wings and a New York strip. But this time on use it or lose it, I got a couple of my grandchildren here to help me and my wife polish off this meal. The grill master. You better ask somebody. Yeah, this is what we got. After about 2 hours, the smoke flavors in there. I got the color I want. Firebox still going strong. You see the flames down there with that maple wood. Now I'm getting ready to start me another zone of fire and move the ribs back here on this back end. More coming from the grill master. Well, as you can see, the chicken made it to the party. Coals is ashy white. They're ready too. Now I'm getting ready to slobber down these ribs with some Bullseye original barbecue sauce. We getting on with it. Well, all I got to say is get your dental floss ready. Cause these beef ribs, get your dental floss ready. Hold up. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh yeah, to get me a quick sear on this steak, I got it in a smoke box because I still got a good fire, some good coals in there. And I'm telling you, this is a perfect weather to grill. Fall. No flies, no mosquitoes. I love it. Better ask somebody. You know how I do. Now, for the star of the show on this use it or lose it cook New York strip. Mine, all mine. Grill master privilege, as the barbecue boys say. You better ask somebody. Okay, that's the sear I wanted. I'm gonna cook this to about right at medium, at the turning point of medium rare and medium. This chicken is ready to come off. That's a shame because now I'm maintaining 350 degrees. If I had some more meat, I'd put on there. Right. Now, my wife Lisa got the sides going on. I asked her to fix me some zucchini and onions. I ain't lying, I'm hungry. Keto on the way.